Hello everyone, welcome back to our UGC NET JRF Economics class. In today's class, we will study consumer behavior theory in economics and important topics of microeconomics. We will cover utility, consumer equilibrium, indifference curve, budget line, income and substitution effects, along with important exam-oriented concepts for UGC NET, SET, MPSC and other competitive exams. So stay connected till the end and let's start the class. Consumer behavior theory studies how consumers make decisions regarding what to buy, how much to buy, when to buy, how to spend limited income. It explains how consumers maximize satisfaction means utility from available resources. Consumer behavior theory is the study of how consumers allocate their income among different goods and services to maximize satisfaction. Nature, part of microeconomics, basics of demand theory, explains market demand behavior. Objectives of consumer behavior theory: to explain consumer choice, to analyze demand for goods and services, to understand utility maximization, to study effects of income and price change, to driven the demand curve. Importance: helps businesses understand consumers, assist government in a policy making, useful in a taxation and welfare policies, important for marketing and pricing decisions. Basic assumptions of consumer behavior. First, rational consumer. Consumers act rationally, tries to maximize satisfaction. Second, utility maximization. Consumer aims to obtain maximum utility from limited income. Third, limited income. Income is fixed and limited. For given prices, prices of goods are fixed. Consumer is a price taker. Fifth, consistent preferences. Consumer preferences remain stable during analysis. 6. Full information. Consumer knows prices and quality of goods. Concept of utility. Utility means satisfaction obtained from consumption of goods and services. Features of utility. Utility is subjective, varies from person to person, depends on needs and preference. Types of utility: from utility, place utility, time utility, service utility. Total utility and marginal utility. Total utility TU, total satisfaction from consuming different units of a commodity. Formula: TU is equal to sigma mu, means marginal utility. Now marginal utility mu, additional satisfaction from consuming one more unit. Formula: mu is equal to delta TU divided delta Q. Relationship between TU and mu means total utility and marginal utility. TU increases at a diminishing rate. Mu falls continuously. When marginal utility is equal to 0, total utility is maximum. Negative marginal utility reduce total utility. Now, law of diminishing marginal utility. As a consumer consumes more units of a commodity, marginal utility driven from each additional unit gradually decreases. Assumptions: continuous consumption, homogeneous units, Rational consumer, no change in a taste and income. Importance, basis of downward sloping demand curve, explains consumer equilibrium, basis of taxation policy, limitations, not applicable to addictive goods, not applicable to rare collections, difficult to measure utility, consumer surplus, difference between what a consumer is willing to pay and what he actually pay. Formula, consumer surplus is equal to total utility minus total expenditure. Importance, measures consumer welfare, useful in a public finance, helps government policy decisions. Approaches to consumer behavior. Two main approaches. First, Cardinal Utility Approach. Utility measurable in a numbers, developed by Marshall. Ordinal Utility Approach. Utility cannot be measured. Utility can only be ranked, developed by Hicks and Allen. Cardinal Utility Approach main assumptions: utility measurable in a utils, constant marginal utility of money, independent utilities, rational behavior, law of equimarginal utility. Consumer distribute income in a such a way that marginal utility per rupee is equal for all goods. Formula, MUX divided PX is equal to MUY divided PY in sigma. MUX means marginal utility of goods. PX means marginal price of X. Sigma, marginal utility of money. Consumer equilibrium, cardinal approach, conditions of equilibrium, MU per rupee equal for all goods, entire income spent. Equilibrium condition, MUX divided PX is equal to MUY divided PX. Consumer gets maximum satisfaction, no incentive to change spending pattern. Limitations of cardinal utility approaches. Criticisms. Utility cannot be measured numerically. Marginal utility of money not constant. Assumption of rationally unrealistic. Ignore interdependence of goods. Ordinal utility approach. Utility cannot be measured. Consumer ranks preference. Developed by J.R. Hicks and R.G. Allen. Tools use indifference curve, budget line, marginal rate of substitution (MRS). Indifference curve analysis. Indifference curve IC shows combinations of two goods giving equal satisfaction. Features same utility on all points. Consumer indifference among combinations. Properties of indifference curve. Properties: first, downward sloping. More of one goods requires less of another. Second, convex to origin due to diminishing marginal rate of satisfaction. Third, non-intersecting. ICs never cross each other. Higher IC, higher satisfaction. Further curve gives more equality. Further curve gives more utility. Marginal rate of substitution. Rate at which consumer substitutes one good for another. Formula, MRXXY is equal to change in Y, change in X. Characteristics, diminishing in a nature causes convexity of IC. Budget line shows all combinations operable with given income. Equation, Pxx plus Pyy is equal to M, where Px is price of X, Py is price of Y, M is income. Now, changes in budget line. Income increases when budget line parallel outward shift. Income decreases, budget line parallel inward shift. Price change, budget line rotation of budget line. Consumer equilibrium, ordinal approach, equilibrium point, budget line tangent to highest IC. Equilibrium condition, MRS XY is equal to PX PY. Conditions, first tendency condition, second IC convex to origin. Price effect, income effect and substitution effect. Price effect, change in a demand due to price change. Income effect, real income changes due to price change. Substitution effect, consumer substitutes cheaper goods for expensive one. Relationship, price price effect is equal to income effect plus substitution effect. Types of goods in a consumer behavior. First, normal goods. Demand rises with the income. Second, inferior goods. Demand falls with the income. Third, given goods. Demand rise, deficit price rise. Fourth, substitute goods. Tea and coffee. Fifth, complementary goods. Car and petrol. Revealed preference theory developed by Paul Samuelson. Consumer preference revealed through actual purchases. Importance, avoids utility measurement problem based on observable behavior. Modern consumer behavior theory, behavioral economics, psychological factors, brand loyalty, advertising influence, digital consumer behavior. Factors affecting consumer behavior: income, taste and preferences, fashion, social influence, culture, expectations. Applications of consumer behavior theory in a business, product pricing, marketing strategies, advertisement planning, in government, tax policy, subsidies, welfare schemes. In economics, demand forecasting, market analysis, consumer welfare studies. Criticism of consumer behavior theory. Assumptions of rationally unrealistic. Utility difficult to measure. Human behavior unpredictable. Psychological factors ignored in a traditional theory. Consumer behavior theory explains how consumers maximize satisfaction. It focuses the foundation of demand theory in a microeconomics. Cardinal and ordinal approaches are major methods of analysis. Modern economics combines psychology and economics for better understanding. Consumer behavior theory helps economics understand market demand, pricing decisions, and welfare implications in an economy. So, friends, today we completed consumer behavior theory in economics with all important concepts and exam oriented points. If you found this class helpful, then like, share, and subscribe for more UGC NET Economics content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.